Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. And guess what? Today is International Bath Day, June 14th. So, if you've been looking for the perfect excuse to treat yourself to a long, relaxing soak in the tub, consider this your sign. Let's celebrate self-care, science, and a little bit of bubbly joy, all in one steamy, soothing package. Now let's rewind a little. Did you know this day has roots in history? International Bath Day honors the moment when Greek mathematician and scholar Archimedes discovered something pretty groundbreaking: that the volume of an object could be measured by submerging it in water. That aha moment happened in a bathtub. He was so excited, he literally jumped out and ran through the streets shouting, "Eureka! Eureka!" Talk about a bath time breakthrough. Back in 19th century England, taking a bath meant dragging a heavy metal tub in front of the fireplace. No plumbing, no bubbles, no Spotify playlists. While in other parts of the world, people bathed in rivers. Times have definitely changed, and thank goodness. These days, baths are all about relaxation, bubbles, and a little bit of luxury. And yes, they're a great way to teach kids how things work. So whether you're in it for the learning or just the lounging, today is your day. Of course, there are so many ways to celebrate. Even if your day is packed with work or errands, take a little time tonight to run that bath and unwind. And hey, if you're feeling creative, why not make your own soap? It's easier than you think. Let me introduce you to this wonderful soap-making kit, perfect for beginners. It comes with everything you need: 3 melt and pour glycerin soap bases, 4 fragrant oils, lavender, lemon, rose, and strawberry, 4 vibrant liquid dyes, paper wrappers, and an easy-to-follow instruction manual. It's such a fun DIY project. Who knows? You might even turn this into a new hobby or side hustle. Plus, homemade soaps make amazing gifts. All right, let's talk about making your bath feel extra special. Light a candle, turn on some music, pour a glass of wine, and dive into a good book. For extra comfort, you've got to check out this extra thick large bath pillow. It gives your neck and head the support they deserve, thanks to strong suction cups that keep it in place. Next, let's talk bubbles. Try this bubble bath product made with all natural mineral oil and totally vegan. It also smells like eucalyptus, mint, and rosemary. Pour in a cup and your water turns a gorgeous turquoise. You'll feel like you're floating at your favorite beach. Or switch things up with this bubble bath variety pack: a trio of foaming bubbles in chamomile green tea, eucalyptus spearmint, and vanilla lavender. These are formulated for sensitive skin and create long-lasting foam, exactly what a perfect bath needs. And for those who want to indulge, this luxurious bubble bath product is a must. Although it's marketed for women, the scents are unisex, and the formula includes 5 Ayurvedic ingredients that ensure the balance and wellness of your body and mind. If you love subtle, earthy fragrances, you'll adore this delightful bubble bath product. It leaves your skin silky smooth, truly spa-worthy. And finally, for the ultimate end-of-day relaxation, try this glorious bath bomb product. Handmade with chamomile, Epsom salt, lavender, and melatonin, they'll help melt your stress away and prepare you for a restful sleep. So there you have it, the perfect excuse to treat yourself. I know where I'll be. In the tub, bubbles up to my chin, book in hand. Let me know in the comments, how are you celebrating International Bath Day? And don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and share this video with your fellow bath lovers. Happy International Bath Day, everyone. Now go run that bath. You've earned it.